Hey Belleoveds, today I'm making what I call my Blue Magic Super Cleaner. It's simple, effective, works miracles, and only takes two simple ingredients, vinegar and Dawn. This formula will clean any stubborn dirty area that you have, including microwaves, bathtubs, sinks, stoves, even your walls, just about anywhere. First, we're going to take not cleaning vinegar, but regular vinegar. Fill 1 cup and pour into a preferably microwave-safe glass bowl. Then you want to put it in the microwave. And we're going to set it to 3 minutes. And be very cautious, y'all. This is very, very hot. So when removing, please take precaution. Then we're going to take a damp towel or cleaning cloth and just wipe off all the stubborn scum in there. The acid of the evaporated vinegar allows for all the hardened grime and to soften up to allow for an easy, forceless cleaning. Just wipe it off both top, bottom, sides, you name it. Be sure to unplug your microwave, y'all, because I, of course, left mine on, but also remove all internal compartments because I had mine left in there and it was in my way. So as you notice, I took it out. Again, this is very good, y'all, for bathtubs, especially stovetops. You know how you're cooking and, maybe you're cooking sauces and it splashes everywhere and it's left all that stubborn grime and scum. Yep, this is very good for that. So now that I'm finished, I'm going to put back all the internal parts, such as the microwave plates and that thingy, I don't know what you call it, that makes it spin around. And now I'm going to fill up 1 cup with Dawn, okay? This Dawn we're going to put into that same vinegar that we had in the microwave earlier. So just fill it up with 1 cup of Dawn. And we're going to put it into that 1 cup of hot vinegar. And be sure you use good precaution because this vinegar is hot. It's still hot from what it was in the microwave. But pouring the Dawn in the vinegar allows for a more effective cleaning formula. When the two combines together, it just makes wonders. You see how blue, that blue, ocean blue you get right here? This is what we want. Isn't that pretty? You want to make sure that the vinegar is hot, that way it's more effective when combining the two. It does the job better that way. Look at that blue, it's so pretty. And that's the color you want. Now you want to mix that. After mixing that well, you want to add it into this bottle. I have one already made here. Just have the leftovers, a little bit left. So I'm going to pour, and be careful again, this is fairly still warm. But be sure to take a funnel and pour it in slowly. Because if you do it too fast, there'll be some bubbles that comes over the end. And there you have it. All freshly made blue magic cleaner, all ready to go. This is very effective, y'all. Be sure to use everywhere, anywhere, and hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you use it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.